This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggplant salad. First, gather your ingredients: 1 large eggplant, 2 ripe tomatoes, 1 onion, fresh parsley, olive oil, and lemon juice. Don't forget salt, pepper, and a pinch of cumin for that perfect seasoning. This simple recipe is a fantastic way to enjoy a healthy and delicious dish. Next, let's prepare the eggplant. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Pierce the eggplant all over with a fork, then place it on a baking sheet. Roast it for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until it's incredibly soft and tender. Once roasted, let it cool completely. This step is crucial for achieving that smoky, creamy texture we want. Now, it's time to assemble our delicious salad. Carefully peel the skin from the cooled eggplant and chop the flesh into small, bite-sized pieces. Dice your 2 tomatoes and 1 onion finely, and chop about a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. Combine all these wonderful ingredients in a large mixing bowl. The colors are already looking vibrant. Finally, let's dress our eggplant salad. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Add about half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and a pinch of cumin. Mix everything thoroughly to combine all the flavors. For best results, chill the salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy this refreshing and easy-to-make dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.